Falls can cause serious injuries, especially for seniors. Luckily, most slips, trips, and falls can be prevented. Follow these guidelines to stay safe at home. Clean up any spills right away and avoid waxing your floors. Place a non-slip mat in the bathtub or shower floor. If you need support getting up from the bath or toilet, install grab bars next to them. Keep walkways clear of objects you could trip on. Fix uneven floors, broken tiles, and loose steps. Secure the edges of loose rugs with double-sided tape and keep electrical cords near the walls. Keep items you use often in easy-to-reach places. If you must store something out of reach, only use a step stool with a support bar. Never climb onto a chair. Make sure your stairwell is well lit and free from clutter. Fix any loose handrails. Avoid walking around in the dark, especially if there are items on the floor. Keep a lamp or flashlight close to your bed. The Healthy Neighborhoods program can provide a variety of materials to help make your home safer. If you are concerned about slips, trips, or falls in your home, give us a call today and schedule your free home safety check. A safe home is a healthy home.